beginning of your talk, you said Rust could replace JavaScript or should replace JavaScript. Still,
yes.
We're almost in 2022. Are you still claiming that?
Yes, absolutely. I still think it should. It has not yet. You can write code in Rust and have sort of more guarantees about it than you can with JavaScript. That's kind of nice. I think Rust is just a better language. It's a nicer language to write in.
Gotcha.
Namely because the compiler enforces a lot of things. So it's a lot easier to write abstractions that are hard to misuse, which is pretty hard to do in JavaScript. So yes, we'll get there eventually. So yeah.
All right, we'll let them debate it out in the comments below. We'll just have them debate it.